What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I've got a lookbook showing you 9 different ways how to wear a polo. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Eric Glenn, salute. Now, without a doubt, the polo shirt is an absolute classic. Guys like me and you been wearing them for decades. They're timeless and they'll never go out of style. Not only are polo shirts timeless, they're also very versatile. And I want to show you just how versatile in today's video. In today's video, I've got a lookbook showing you 9 different looks. That's right, 9 looks on how you can wear the polo shirt in a wide range of situations. Got different colors, different styles, different fabrics. So without any further delay, let's get into this lookbook on how you can rock the polo shirt 9 different ways. Now for our first look of the day, I've got the polo shirt you need if you're only gonna buy one. That's a classic navy polo shirt. The reason why, this color will always be in style and it works with a wide range of different colors and it looks good on every guy. In this first look, got my navy polo paired with one of my favorite types of pants to wear a polo shirt with, a pair of burgundy slim fit chinos. Now this is an ultimate classic look. You can wear this one back in the 80s, the 2000s, you can rock this now, 10 years from now. And of course, if I'm gonna do a classic look, a pair of chinos with a polo shirt, you might as well throw in a pair of loafers. In this case, a pair of black tassel loafers. Now this particular polo is a dry fit peak polo from Uniqlo. Fits me well, love it. I think it only cost me around 20 bucks. So like I said, if you're only gonna have one polo color, which I don't suggest you only have one, but if you are, go for a navy polo. Now for our second look of the day, I know the first one's a little bit kind of classic, kind of preppy. I'm gonna stay with the navy polo, but give you more of a rugged look as I give you kind of a 90s hip hop feel, my generation, with the polo with a pair of Timbs. Now this look shows you just how versatile a navy polo could be. This is a look I've been wearing for a long time and I will continue to wear it. And of course, you can never go wrong with a little bit of contrast in your blues, the navy polo, and some light wash denim. Smooth, cool, and a little bit rugged, a classic look. Can't go wrong with that navy polo, pair of jeans, and those butters. Now for our next look, we're gonna class up the joint just a little bit. Put the Timbs away, put more of a grown man look. As this time we switch out the navy polo and put in a dark green, almost forest green polo, also from Uniqlo. Now this is a look of a great combination of colors I love. Got the dark green with my favorite pair of wool trousers, these light gray. Of course, you can never go wrong with the ultimate casual yet dressy shoe. Love a pair of double monk straps. These I got from Ace Marks about a month ago. Smooth, cool, and clean. Green and gray, a great combination. In fact, I think guys sleep a little bit on the color green. I think you should add more green to your wardrobe. A little bit more grown man look here. Dressy, but still relaxed, cool, and comfortable. Can't go wrong with the navy polo and a pair of your favorite wool trousers. Now next up, we're gonna take the same look and dress it up even a little bit more. As I show you the versatility of a polo shirt, letting you know you can easily layer it. Now here in this look, we kept the same forest green polo, the wool trousers, and the monk straps, but we added a standard navy blazer. The polo under a blazer look, definitely a classic look. And this is a great one when you're doing your business casual / casual fire day at the office. Another color combination that I really love is blue and green. As you can see, the blue in the jacket, the green in the polo works very well here. And the great thing about layering, if it gets a little warmer in the day, you can take off the jacket and you're back to the look we had in the second. Once again, illustrating the versatility of the polo, you never can go wrong layering it under a navy blazer. Now for our next look, it's time to swing back to the casual side of the pendulum, away from dressy, as we go with the ultimate casual cool look, a polo with a pair of shorts. Now for this look, we switched out the dark green polo and go on more of a bright summer type feel as we have this nice pop of green from this Peter Manning polo. This is a look, of course, you can rock to any warm weather event, especially your hot events. Nice pool party, throw on these pair of shorts, put on a polo, definitely can't go wrong. Now, a lot of times guys are afraid of color, me included. But in the summertime, I don't mind adding pops of color, especially if I just have one standout color like this green polo. And of course, you can never go wrong when you have a classic polo, pair of classic flat front shorts, throw on a pair of all white minimal sneakers, these from Koyo. Easy, cool, comfortable look, showing the versatility and the timelessness of the polo, throw it on with your favorite pair of shorts. Now my next look is for my fellas, and that includes me sometimes, that like to add a little color, but don't want something too bright. As this time we take out the pop of green from my last polo and put on one of my favorite new polos I picked up in the last month or two, this muted pink from Everlane. Now for this look, I wanted to give you a little bit of color, but also give you a little bit of a rock and roll edge, as we pair the tip polo with a slim fit pair of gray jeans. And of course, you can never go wrong when you're trying to add a little edge to your look, throw on your favorite pair of suede Chelsea boots. Hey, with the pink in this look, I think it works very well. Once again, showing you the versatility of the polo shirt. It doesn't only have to be for classic, preppy, or stuffy looks. You can actually throw one on, have a little rock and roll edge when you put it with those Chelseas and a nice pair of slim fitting jeans. Now for our next look, I wanted to give you a little bit of a different style of polos. They come in a little bit of a wider range than you may think. I've been showing you more of a traditional look. These next couple looks have what you call the sweater type polo. And what I like about these, they add a little weight, a little texture, and a little bit more dressiness in my opinion. As you can see, I got this great navy one with the stripe that I picked up from Banana Republic. I think I caught it on sale for only 30 bucks. Of course, you can never go wrong with that warm weather classic, a pair of white jeans. Fellas, don't be afraid to rock those white jeans. Hard to keep clean, but they look good when you have them on. And of course, once again, for the footwear, we switch back to one of my favorite versatile sexy pair of shoes, threw on the double monk straps again. I really love the added weight and texture of a sweater polo. A little dressier and a little bit warmer than your average one. Throw it on with a nice pair of jeans, double monk straps, you got a cool, classy, sexy look. Now for our next look, I've got another sweater style polo I picked up from Banana Republic the other day, but this time we're putting away the navy stripe one, and this time I've got a nice dark charcoal gray one. This one I absolutely love. Has a nice, heavy, serious kind of look to it. A polo shirt, but kind of dressy in my opinion. This is one I definitely would wear during the warm weather in an office where they'll let you get away with wearing denim. And of course, if you're gonna wear denim to the office, absolutely recommend your favorite pair of dark denim. These are my favorite pair that I've had from Uniqlo probably for the last 3 or 4 years. And of course, if you're gonna have an office shoe that's relaxed enough to wear with denim, but still versatile and dressy, you might as well go with your favorite pair of brown wing tips. You see me rocking these all the time in a wide range of lookbooks. Picked these up from To Boot, New York, probably 7-8 years ago. They've served me extremely well. Like I said, on a hot summer day, when you can dress a little business casual, but you don't want to be too casual, throw on a nice sweater polo. It's smooth, cool, classic, and a step up from your regular polo, in my opinion. And last but certainly not least on the lookbook of 9 different ways on how to rock a polo shirt, I've got a kind of out of the box look. This one. This actually is a polo shirt with a spread collar. I happened to pick this one up the other day in Uniqlo when I was browsing around, and the spread collar really caught my eye. I thought it was a nice dress shirt type of feel to a polo shirt. And I really love the crosshatch kind of window pane, subtle detail in the shirt. As you can see, I paired it here with one of my favorite pair of chinos, my olive chinos from Peter Manning. This is another look that I think is super versatile, cool and clean, and like I said, a little bit out of the box with the spread collar of this polo shirt. And of course, if you're gonna rock a polo and some chinos, you can never go wrong throwing on a pair of loafers, as I have these brown ones from Beckett's Seminar. And of course, like the theme of this video has been, versatility. Grab a little something outside of the box, maybe a spread collar polo. You got a new look you can rock, but still in the classic, cool, and timeless way. Okay, so there you have it. My lookbook of 9 different ways how to rock a polo shirt. Make sure you let me know in the comment section what your favorite look was, and how you like to rock your polos. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.